The 1962 Studebaker GT Hawk. A beautiful car. Excellent restoration. Glass out repaint. White wall radials. 289 4-barrel and 4-speed. And we got full instrumentation, tachometer, all the gauges. This is really a pretty car. Beautifully done interior. All that trim is just super crisp. Look at that. It is just nice. This is called twin traction. TT. Hawk V8. It's got the accessory trunk mounted antenna for that extra bit of cool. Really a pretty car. All right, let's start the 62 GT Hawk. Take it for a drive. So we have gauges, charging. Gauges, tachometer, fuel gauge works. Oil pressure is great. See the speedometer in a little bit. Horn. And wipers. And let's see here. Okay. So first gear. Stops real nice too, nice and straight. Good brakes. Here's a look at the interior. Bucket seats, which is nice. Beautiful steering wheel, excellent emblem. That dashboard is tip-top, looks great. Nice carpeting. Ashtrays for everybody. There's one up there and two in the back, and there's the back seat, and the seats are nicely done. It's got the embossed ribs in the seat rather than sewn in, so these are really correctly done. Beautiful headliner. It's really nice. Nice door panels. Nicely done door jambs, soft rubber. Yeah, it's this is really a cutie. Look at that trim, wow. One last quick walk around on the 62 GT Hawk. This is a pretty and fun car. It really is just a blast to drive. Good exhaust note, and it's just fun. 4-speed. It's terrific. I really like this car. Just a great car.